In today's video, I'll teach you how to turn off joins in Roblox. So first of all, open any browser of your choice, click on the search bar and type in roblox.com, press enter. Or instead of that, you can also open the Roblox application if you want. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So what you have to do is click on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option, settings. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface of Roblox. You'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here at third, you'll be able to find this option for privacy and content restrictions. What you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option, visibility and private servers, that you can see at fourth. Now after you do that, you can see two options. Click on this option, visibility. Now you'll be able to manage the visibility settings over here. Simply scroll down. Now over here you'll be able to find this section for show current experience. You'll be able to find various options over here. If you do not want others to see your current experience and join you, what you have to do is click on this option, no one. Now after you do that, you can see over here the settings has been updated. Now people will not be able to join on your current experience. So like this, you'll be able to turn it off. So that is how you turn off joins in Roblox. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.